Welcome back to Code Emoji. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest web development tutorials.
Today, we're diving into something essential for all HTML developers, semantic HTML tags. Let's get started. First, let's answer the question, what are semantic HTML tags? These are HTML elements that clearly describe their meaning to both the browser and the developer. For example, tags like header, article, and footer give more context than something generic like dev. Now, why should we care about semantic tags? First off, it improves accessibility. Screen readers and assistive technologies rely on these tags to better understand the structure of a web page. Also, semantic tags enhance SEO by giving search engines like Google a better understanding of your content. Let's walk through the key semantic tags one by one. Starting with header. The header tag is used to group introductory content or navigation links. Next up, the article tag. It represents a self-contained composition, such as a blog post. Then we have section, used for thematically grouped content, and footer, which typically contains metadata like copyright or links. Here's a full example of a semantic HTML structure. And that's how you can structure your HTML with semantic tags. Not only does this make your code cleaner, but it also improves both accessibility and SEO. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Code Emoji for more web development tips.